So we're making 1 ingredient noodles. I crack in 2 eggs into a blender, half a cup of egg whites. Give it a good blitz. And now I've taken a pan and I'm just lightly brushing it with ghee and pouring a bit of the mixture on it. The idea of this is that you get more noodles. Otherwise, if you make it only with whole eggs, you just get a few noodles. But adding the egg whites is the special part about this. Here you put it on the pan. Don't let it cook too much. Just a few, maybe 30 seconds on each side. Now I'm rolling them up and I'm cutting them into little, the size that you want. And here are these beautiful noodles. I'm going to add a lovely chicken stir fry on top of it, and it tastes absolutely yummalicious. Thanks for watching, and do come over to my YouTube channel too. Bye then.